friends at home. In this video, I will be doing today's math lesson with you here in the classroom. We are on page 395. Sound we're good, thank you. Lesson 10.5, we're going to be doing the problem solving. So we have been learning about reading and creating tally charts and reading and creating picture graphs. And so now we're going to work through some problems where we decide what do we know, what do we need to know, and how do we figure that out, okay? So looking here, it says using a model, Molly asks her friends to name their favorite colors. She makes a tally chart. How many friends does Molly ask about their favorite color? You can make a model using one connecting cube for each tally mark. So she had 5 red, 5 blue, and 3 green. So she put together 5, 5, and 3. Then she added up. 5 plus 5 is 10. Bring in your 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. So there were 13 friends who were asked about their favorite color. Okay, so now it says use the model and chart above to answer these questions. The first one says which colors show an equal number? Which 2 colors had the same amount of friends choose them? Serafina? Red and blue. So on the lines for number 1, you should write red, blue. What's up, Serafina? Please hurry. I don't like when you guys leave in the middle of a lesson because now you're going to miss the next few problems. Number 2, Victoria says, which color has the fewest cubes? Green. Yeah, remember fewest means the smallest amount. So for number 2, you'll write green. Green had the fewest friends choose. All right, go ahead and turn the page now. We're looking at the top of 396. And we have a model here that shows the number of stickers in Dan's collection. So we're going to use the model and the cubes to answer questions. So he had airplane stickers, train stickers, and car stickers. Beckett, how many more airplane stickers than car stickers does Dan have? Now there's a trick you can do, Beckett, without even having to count or doing subtracting. You can just connect. We're comparing airplanes to cars. So we can go, they both have 1, they both have 2, they both have 3, they both have 4, but how many more airplane stickers are there, Beckett? 2 more. So Dan has 2 more airplane stickers. Go ahead and write 2 for that. It says Dan puts his stickers in a book. He puts 1 sticker on each page. So how many pages will he use? Okay, so we know how many stickers he has, and we know he puts 1 on each page. So shouldn't there be the same number of pages that there are stickers? So how many stickers, Amma, does he have all together? You got to count them up. Excellent. So he will use 12 pages because 1 sticker for each page, and there are 12 stickers. Brooklyn, how many more stickers does he need to get to 20 stickers in all? So right now he has 12. Why don't we keep drawing cubes until we get to 20, okay? So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, Brooklyn, this number of cubes is the number that he needs to get to 20. What is that number? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many does he need, Brooklyn, to get to 20? 8. Another way that you could have thought about this, boys and girls, We know he wanted 20, so we could have filled 2 10 frames because we know that 1 10 frame is 10, so 2 10 frames would be 20, okay? And we could fill the first 10 frame because we know he has 1 10 and he had 2 1s. Dink, dink. Now the difference right here would be how many more he needs to get to 2 10 frames, which would be 20. And that difference, which would be right here, is the same as what we drew here. And Brooklyn told us it's 8. Okay? Good job. So how can using connecting cubes, is that the same or different from using a picture graph? If we use the cubes to show how many, is that the same or different than using a picture graph? True?
Different.
It's different. Why?
Maybe it's on paper.
Well, that's true. The cubes we hold on to and the graph is on paper. What about when we use a picture graph? The pictures, if it's a bus, we draw buses. If it's a pencil, we draw pencils. If it's an apple, we draw apples. But with the cubes just represent whatever it is that we're talking about. Good job. All right, let's take a look now at the top of 397. We're looking at this chart again of the friends and their favorite colors, and we're going to answer some questions. It says here, Chase, that Molly chooses green as her favorite color, and she adds a tally to the chart. Now, how many connecting cubes are needed for green? This is the chart, and Molly decides her favorite color is green, so she adds a tally. So now how many green do we need? 4. Good job. So now we'd have to add a green. So there are 4 cubes for green. Which colors were chosen by an equal number of children? We answered this one on the other page, didn't we? Which colors were chosen by an equal number of children? Sage? Red and blue. So on these lines, we'll write red, blue. And they're equal because they're both 5. Now you can turn the page. Now it says this model shows the number of sticks that Marie had to make a stick bridge. We're going to use the model and connecting cubes to answer the question. How many sticks does Marie have in all? So Ava June, these are all of her sticks. How many does she have all together? Oh, should be 17. Good job. You should all be counting while she is too. So she has 17 sticks in all. Beckett, she loses one of her blue sticks. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Now how many blue does she have? 16. Wait, what? For blue? Seven. Good job, because she had 8, but then she lost one, so now she only has 7. Marie needs 5 sticks in each color. Which color does she need more of? For what she's about to build, she needs 5 yellow, 5 red, and 5 blue. Which one does she need to go get more of? Sage? Red. Good job, because she only has 4 red, so she doesn't have enough to build what she wants to build. Marie makes a yellow, red, blue stick pattern. How many times can she make the pattern? So she could go yellow, red, blue once. She could go yellow, red, blue twice. Yellow, red, blue 3 times. Yellow, red, blue 4 times. Could she do yellow, red, blue again? No, because she doesn't have enough red. So how many times could she complete the pattern? Drew? 4 times. I only have about 2 friends raising their hands in here to volunteer. Guys, for making it difficult. How many more yellow than red does she have? We don't even really have to do a subtraction problem here, Dominic. We can just go ka-chink, 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 and then look at the difference. How many more yellow? 1. Just 1 more. So for number 7, you can put 1 more. Now for the next page, boys and girls, it says homework. We're actually going to work on it here in the classroom. If you're at home, you do all your work at home, so you can do it right now. But I want you to do it independently. I want to see how you do without me guiding you through each problem. So it says use this tally chart to answer your questions. You can draw connecting cubes if that helps you. So read through the questions. The boy's name here is Dante. It says he wants to use connecting cubes to model his chart. So how many cubes will he need all together? This one says how many cubes does he need for guitar? This one says how many keys does he need for keyboard and drum? Okay, so read through them, use your best reading skills, and then turn over to the back and work through these ones, okay? So right now we'll do some independent math work. If you're at home, you can get right to work, and if you're here in the classroom, I'd like you independently working quietly on these 2 pages. Bye, friends at home.
Bye.